J.D. Sanders here for FlexKRETE, and today we're with the Phillips-May Corporation at the Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport. DFW is one of the busiest airports in the world, and as such, when repairs are required, they must be done quickly and they must be done permanently. FlexKRETE was chosen because it's simple to use, has phenomenal adhesion characteristics, and is 3 times harder than concrete. The work area can also be cleared and returned to traffic in as little as 15 minutes upon repair completion. And that's important for worker safety and to keep traffic moving at the 6th busiest airport in the world.